Oh, we are live. We are live. Okay. Ever had your accountant say something like your profit and loss statement looks strong, but your cash flow tells, but your cash flow, oh, ever had your accountant say something like your profit and loss statement looks strong, but your cash flow tells another story, and you nodded politely, but deep down thoughts, what on earth does that mean? You are not alone. If you are a business owner running a tech startup, e-commerce branch, school, clinic, farm, or even a real estate or law firm, this video is for you. Today, we are going to simplify those confusing financial terms so you can finally understand your numbers and use them to grow your business. Let's dive in. As a business owner, you don't need to become an accountant, but you do need to think like one. Why? Because your numbers tell the real story of your business. If you run a clinic, a school, agribusiness, or online store, you need to know whether you are making profit or just moving cash. You need to understand which products or services are actually losing money. You need to be confident during tax season without fear of tax authorities later. You need to know when to expand, cut costs, or invest wisely. And all that starts with understanding the language of business, which is accounting. You need to know these essential terms. They are well simplified. Number one, revenue, that is your sales. This is the total money your business earns before any expenses. For example, if you sell 100 units if you sell 100 units at 5,000 each, your revenue will be 500,000. Number two, expenses. The cost of running your business, that is rent, salaries, fare, data, and others. All these are expenses. And of course, number three, your profit or loss. Revenue minus expenses brings in the profit or loss in the business. If you make 500,000 and spend 400,000, your profit is 100,000 naira. Number four, cash flow. Cash flow is the actual money moving in and out of your bank accounts. You can be profitable on paper but broke in real life if cash isn't flowing well. Number five, accounts receivable. Money owed to you by customers. Accounts receivable is money owed to you by customers. For example, a school waiting for parent fees or a real estate agent paying in installments. All these are receivables. Number six, accounts payable. Account payable is money your business owes to vendors, staff, and tax authorities and others. Number seven, which is the subject matter of what we are discussing, bookkeeping. The organized bookkeeping. This is the organized daily recording of all business transactions, sales, expenses, salaries, and others. You know, one key thing there is that good bookkeeping gives you clarity, confidence, and control. Once more, I repeat, good bookkeeping gives you clarity, confidence, and control. Let me just at this stage, let us know why it matters for your sector, why you need to understand these financial terms for your sector. For our tech founders, you can't pitch to investors without clean financials. And e-commerce owners, your profit margin per unit can make or break you. And for private schools, do you know your costs per pupil? And of course, for clinics, are your services profitable or bleeding cash? And of course, farmers and agri-tech folks, you need to track seasonal cash flow cycles. To the profit developers, are your rental income really yielding the return on investment? And the service providers, are you billing your worth and collecting payments promptly? All these are the reasons why you need to understand financial terms so that you'll be able to get adequate return on investment. Accounting and bookkeeping aren't optional. They are the lifeblood of strategic growth. Accounting and bookkeeping aren't optional. They are the lifeblood of your strategic growth. Now that these terms make sense, here is how you can move forward, how to move forward with it. Hire or consult a professional accountant if you do not understand any of these financial terms. Number 2, keep your records clean. Daily sales, expenses, and bank statements. Number 3, review your numbers monthly. Ask questions. Make decisions. Make decisions with your numbers, not just intuitively. Number 4, use tools like spreadsheets, apps, or any accounting software. These will help you. And of course, if you cannot identify any, we can be of help to you. Lastly, don't mix business and personal expenses together. It is a huge red flag for you. Don't mix them together. If you are overwhelmed, that is, if you are overwhelmed with all this, that is where we come in and we can help you. So at Taisha Associates, we help businesses like yours set up bookkeeping, understand your finances, and stay tax compliant so you can focus on running your business, not worrying about numbers. Well, if this is helpful to you or could be helpful to you in future, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a fellow business owner. And if you have been using it and you see that it works, why don't you extend it to your fellow business owner? I will appreciate you drop a comment with the one term you finally understand. Or if you need hands-on help, send us a DM or visit our website. Let's build financially healthy businesses together. If you are watching us on YouTube, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. And as you subscribe, please don't forget to click the bell so that you can know when next when next we are here. God bless you and see you in our next video.